Imagine a world where true power isn't held in weapons or words, but in something that speaks to millions, not with force, but with feelings. Imagine a world where culture isn't taught, but felt deep in the soul, carried by a single note. Now, imagine a world where music isn't just entertainment. It's the bond that unites us, the love that connects us, and the identity of our identity. That world is Thailand. Good morning. My name is Ivarine Kanthamanond, and today I want to talk about something that has shaped each and every one of our identity and pride, the traditional Thai instrument, the kim. Thailand is more than a place. It is a feeling, a rhythm, a balance between grace and emotion. It is the land of smiles, yes, but more importantly, it's the land of stories, because behind every smile is a story of family, kindness, and centuries of celebration. But believe me or not, those stories aren't being told by words. They're being played. They live in our festivals, in our temples, and in the music that flows through every part of Thai life. The kim captures our story better than any voice ever could. At first, the kim looks simple, just strings stretched across a wooden board, but when the kim stick strikes, it transforms completely. Its sound clear, gentle, and instantly recognizable. It may seem soft, but it is not weak. It is delicate, but it holds centuries of history. Our ancestors passed down this instrument generation to generation, not only as a form of entertainment, but to tell stories and to preserve traditions. When the kim plays, it builds respect between cultures, encourages kindness, and inspires joy. But most of all, it brings people together, turning strangers into friends and communities into families. In every Thai celebration, from Loi Krathong to Songkran, from royal ceremonies to temple fairs, you will find traditional Thai music. Many Thai instruments contribute to creating this atmosphere, but for me, the kim stands out most. The kim is a sound that creates unity, strengthens respect, and inspires joy and spreads love across everyone present. The kim is unlike any other instrument. It requires precise technique, full concentration, and most importantly, the ability to play with heart. That's what makes it so unique. Every performance is not just music. It's our emotion, history, and our culture. The kim is a bridge connecting people everywhere. Its sound carries values we all share: love, kindness, respect, and unity. Music has no borders, and the kim proves it. I believe this sound should not be kept unlimited within our borders. It should be shared. When people from around the world hear and play the kim, they're not just hearing an instrument, they're stepping into Thai culture itself. So come to Thailand, feel a rhythm, and try the kim for yourself. Because the kim is not just ours to protect, it's ours to share. And the more people who learn it, the louder our culture will echo for generations to come. In Thai homes, children hear lullabies before they ever speak. They hear temple bells before they know what prayer is. Music is our first and our universal language. It speaks louder than any flag or anthem ever could. But for me, it grew into something even greater. I first picked it out of curiosity. I just liked the sound. But what began as a hobby grew into something far greater. It taught me patience, expression, discipline. It became my second voice. A voice that I didn't need to argue or prove anything with, just play with passion. Through this voice, I've had the honor to travel the world and to carry Thailand with me. Carnegie Hall, Concert Gabao, the Mozarteum, from small stages to the grandest halls and many more prestigious halls. Each time I performed, people didn't just hear my music, they heard Thailand. They saw what we stand for. Not with grace or not with power or noise, but with grace and emotion. I didn't just bring an instrument. I brought a story. I brought a nation. And that's why today I share not just my story, but the story of so many Thais who find themselves in music. But beyond the lights and applause, psychologists say this goes deeper. Music calms the brain, reduces stress, and helps with focus. But I say, this goes further. Music heals the heart. It became my therapy. It steadied me when life was uncertain. It gave me the stillness when the world was too loud. So I here leave you with a quote I wrote myself. The Kim is not just music. It is history, it is pride, and it is the soul of our nation. Never underestimate the power of quiet things. A single note can carry the weight of history. A simple melody can become a country's anthem, and a childhood hobby can become the country's pride. Again, my name is Alice Ivarine Kanthamanond, and I am Thai, not just by blood, but in spirit, in sound, and in song. And this is the sound of Thailand. Thank you very much.
Hi, well, like, very dramatic performance. I like that. Something new, very nice, interesting. I'm not a particular music person, but that one was really interesting. I'm surprised you didn't come to play for us. A lot of people do, right? But again, you followed up with the previous performance with another strong one, so congratulations and thank you very much.